Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchases. Today, we have an epic showdown between two popular replacement blades, the Philips OneBlade replacement blade QP220 50ths and the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades. Get ready for some serious shaving showdown. Let's kick things off with the most important factor for many of us, the price. The Philips OneBlade replacement blade QP220 50ths comes in at a wallet-friendly price of $0. That's right, it's included with the OneBlade handle. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades will set you back around $34. Ouch! Now, let's talk about durability. The Philips OneBlade replacement blade QP220 50ths boasts two blades that can last up to 8 months, based on 2 full shaves per week. That's some serious longevity. It even has a handy usage indicator to remind you when it's time to change the blade. On the flip side, the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades come with 3 blades that can last up to 12 months. Nice! When it comes to versatility, both of these blades are top-notch. The Philips OneBlade replacement blade QP220 50ths can trim, edge, and shave any length of hair. It's like having 3 tools in one. And guess what? It fits all OneBlade handles, so you don't have to worry about compatibility. Now, the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades also trim, edge, and shave any length of hair. Plus, they power through even the longest of hair. Impressive. Gentlemen, let's talk about skin protection. The Philips OneBlade replacement blade QP220 50ths has rounded tips and a glide coating to ensure a comfortable shave without getting too close to the skin. No more razor burn or irritation. As for the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades, they also feature a glide coating and rounded tips to protect your precious skin. Say goodbye to those annoying nicks and cuts. Now, let's discuss usage options. The Philips OneBlade replacement blade QP220 50ths can be used dry or wet with foam, and it's even shower-friendly. Talk about convenience, and guess what? The Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades can also be used dry or wet with foam, so whether you're in a hurry or enjoying a relaxing shave, both blades have got you covered. Last but not least, let's talk about subscription savings. The Philips OneBlade replacement blade QP220 50ths doesn't offer any subscription options, but hey, it's already a great deal. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades have a subscribe and save option that can save you up to 15%. Who doesn't love saving a few bucks? The Philips OneBlade replacement blade QP220 50ths and the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades are both fantastic options for your shaving needs. It all comes down to your preferences and budget. Whichever you choose, you can't go wrong. Remember, it's all about buying smart. And there you have it, folks. The Philips OneBlade replacement blade QP220 50ths and the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades are both fantastic options for your shaving needs. It all comes down to your preferences and budget. Whichever you choose, you can't go wrong. Remember, it's all about buying smart. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome comparisons. And as always, leave your comments down below. Which replacement blade do you prefer? Let us know. Until next time, stay sharp and buy smart.